Hello everyone. Welcome to another simple English learning story. Today, I will tell you the story of an honest boy. Just listen and enjoy the story, and if you'd like, you can shadow along with me. So, let's begin. My name is Zihad. I am 12 years old. I live in a small town. I am a student. Every day, I walk to school. One morning, I found a wallet on the road. I picked it up. The wallet was full of money. I looked around. No one was there. I did not keep the wallet. I wanted to find the owner. Inside the wallet, I found an ID card. I read the name and address. After school, I went to the address. An old man opened the door. I asked, "Is this your wallet?" The old man smiled. He said, "Yes. I was looking for it everywhere." He was very happy. He thanked me many times. He offered me some money. I said, "No, thank you. I only wanted to help." The old man blessed me. I went home with a happy heart. That day, I learned an important lesson. Honesty is always the best choice. Good people help others. Kindness always brings happiness. Thank you for listening. Practice this type story every day to improve your English. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.